everyone, it's Elise with Organized Sanctuaries. Today we're making a video about how to apply custom vinyl label at home. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to need a container that vinyl sticks well to, so anything smooth, plastic, glass, bamboo are usually the products that I work with. Things that are bumpy and textured, they'll stick, but it just might not be as clean of an adhesion. So today I'm going to be using this bin from the Container Store. You're going to want to wipe down the surface with an alcohol wipe. I've already done so here just to save time in the video because it does require you to wait for the alcohol to dry completely, so make sure that it's dry after you use your wipe. And I do that even on products that are new. It just is helpful to make a clean, smooth surface. And of course, your label. The final product that you're going to need in your own home, you can use a credit card. I have a little tool from Cricut that helps you apply the label to make sure it sticks really well. So you'll see me do it later. But at home, a credit card works perfectly. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step is that you're going to want to remove the plastic front from the label. When I sell my labels on my website, they all come with transfer tape attached to them, and that just allows you to be able to stick on the label in the exact spot that you want it. So one trick is to, just adjust my camera a little bit, one trick that you're gonna want is to put it down on your surface and peel it back, kind of down and diagonally, very slowly. And you're going to see, I'm going to show you here, you're going to see the label itself peel away from the white paper, and that's exactly what you want. So slowly, like I said, down at a diagonal. And now you have your label attached to your transfer tape. So I'm going to show you what that looks like up close, where you've got the sticky adhesive of the transfer tape, the vinyl itself. So and here the black letters are really sticky, and you're going to want to make sure you don't touch them and align it exactly where you want it to go. So I'll often center it directly in the middle. Sometimes I'll off-center it. Sometimes I'll off-center it to the side. Today I'm going to center it, and all you do, make sure it's straight. And I always first start just pressing my fingers down to make it smooth and make sure we get rid of the bubbles really easily. And then take your firm surface. So again, this is my Cricut tool, but you can use a credit card. And just go over each line. It's particularly important when there are letters, like letter I, the dot. You want to make sure that that's really firm down. The larger the letter it is, kind of the easier it is to stick and peel back. But I go over all my letters really well, no matter the size or the shape of them. Once you've done that, you're going to want to peel back the transfer tape just the same way that you removed it from the backing. So again, slowly at a diagonal. And here you'll notice that I didn't get a great seal. So I'm pushing it down again, because as I lift it, and I'll show you if it's still, yeah. So as I was pushing it down, I could see that a little bit of the vinyl was still stuck to the transfer tape, meaning it wasn't sticking to the bin. So when you push it down really well, it helps make sure that that vinyl sticks. And again, that vinyl is really sticky, but it's always helpful to do a double check. So I always start by, when I pull off the transfer tape, just by taking a peek. So if you look here, starting from the other side, I'm peeling back the transfer tape and the vinyl label is still is stuck to the bin, which is exactly what we want. But again, go slow, especially when there are labels, when there are letters like the letter I, or when they're not one long strip. This in cursive is just one long individual label. But when we do block print, each letter is a separate sticker, and you want to make sure that you don't lose any letters, especially some of the thinner letters like the letter L. Sometimes the top of the T gets twisted. So again, real nice and slow. You can smooth out if there are any bubbles. You can throw away the transfer tape. When I create custom labels for clients, I include each label with its own transfer tape, so you don't have to save it if you don't want to. Here you go. Here is my bin with the label. Please comment below. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you do want to order labels of your own, check out my website. And thanks so much for watching.